Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Thank you very much for reaching out to this video. Success promise here, and actually in this video is actually a range test. Yeah, I'm not making any project today. I just want to test the range of the 27 megahertz transceiver. Yeah, actually this 27 megahertz transceiver is actually a 40-meter range transceiver, and I want to test it in real life to actually see if it's really 40 meters as it says. It's the description. So I'm just want to test the range test. So this video is all about range test. I'm going to go outside at a long road or something to test the range of the transceiver, and you all is going to love this video. Actually, I got this video from AliExpress. It's actually AliExpress hidden gems, and let's see if what they say in the description of a product is actually what the product do. Let's dive in. Okay, now welcome back. Now this is the kit bag which I put everything in. Okay, now this is the transmitter of this project. This is the transmitter, and this is the this is the 4 buttons which is inputted into the transceiver, and this is the 4 buttons that is controlling the 4 channel, and this is the places connected to the power supply, and this is the antenna, and this is the circuit, and there's actually a chip at the back here which is controlling the whole circuit. Okay, now this is the receiver, and this is the 4 channel which is connected to your component or your load which you want to connect it, and this black wire here is actually the antenna of the circuit, and I'm actually using a 3.7 volt battery to make this project. So let's test. This is the connection process. The positive side of the module is connected to the positive side of the battery. Negative side is connected to the negative side of the battery. For the receiver, the positive side is connected to the positive side of the battery. Like so. This is the positive side of the battery. This is the negative side. Sorry, it's connected to the negative side of the module, and the positive side of the module is connected to the positive side of the battery. And the one channel is connected to this blue bulb which I want to test. So I will be moving forward to see each range. I'll be counting my steps, and then we'll calculate how many meters in total. Let's get to it. Okay, I almost forgot. I'm actually using an antenna to test this project. So I'm going to test the project without the antenna, and then I'm going to repeat the antenna and see if the range increases. You're going to love this video. I want you to stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, welcome back. Actually, now you can see we are out back, and we are back from where we go to test the 27 megahertz transceiver. Actually, now you can see that I made a couple of steps, about 7 to 8 steps. Actually, at the step of 8, when I reached the 8th step, it actually gets weak. The signal actually gets weak, so I approximately took it as 7 steps. So after 7 steps, which I made with external antenna, the signal just like got weak. But without the external antenna, I just made 1 step, and the signal was like cut off, and I have to input the external antenna immediately, and I made about 7 steps with the external antenna. So this is how we're going to calculate it. So now normally recently in this video I said a human being 1 step is actually 0.75 to 0.8 meters. So in total I made steps of total steps of 7. So we're going to say distance is equal to the number of steps multiplied by the length. So it's going to be distance equals to, I made a couple of 7 steps, so it's going to be 7 steps multiplied by the number of meters per 1 step, which is 7 multiplied by 0.7, and we are going to have 5.25 meters. Oh my god, I can't imagine this. In the description of this product it actually says 20 to 25 meters, but I only got 5.25 meters. Oh my god, I'm actually not downgrading this product. You can buy this product, test it, and see if you have the same result. But let me know in the comment section if you have tested the product and also have more more meters than me, but actually on my observation I got 5.25 meters in total with the external antenna. I'm thinking maybe if you add a more suitable appropriate antenna in the circuit, it may increase the range form, and actually that is how they make it to be used in the RC cars. They make the antenna much powerful so that it can go much far away. But as for my test, I got 5.25 meters. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and got some kind of knowledge from this AliExpress product. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and let's go into the conclusion of this video. Subscribe. I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video to the ending. I hope you really learned something new, and actually now you can see the practical process of the 27 megahertz out, me testing it out. And also I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please support me on Patreon for more interesting videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.